Well, I don't know, I'm almost a little nervous recording this particular video because this is probably one of the first ever videos where I'm going to be singing. Yeah. So, this is a hymn that I learnt in school, and um, it's like when I was expecting my child, I used to sing this song often, sing this thing. And so, somewhere I believe when my kid was born, he was born with a very serene expression, like many people who played with my child. He's now 5 years old, but would often comment, that he's very. So this was the hymn. It's called Like a Sunflower. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my Lord. In simplicity, honesty, I follow. In simplicity, charity, I follow. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my Lord.